If you're thinking about a career in photography, the Santa Rosa Junior College is a great place to start. It's affordable, access to incredible resources, and the faculty are amazing.
Santa Rosa Junior College's Applied Photography program will prepare you for a successful, creative career as a photographer. We have the latest technology so you will get hands-on experience and be ready to work in this fast-paced and fun industry. You will get an introduction into fine art and commercial photography and learn the steps necessary to enter this visual arts field.
One thing that I would say about this program is it is extremely fun. The people and the teachers that are involved in it are super supportive. Just go in and with an open mindset and with the idea that you're going to create what you want to create.
Our experienced photography instructors will teach you how to operate a variety of cameras and lighting systems. You will have plenty of opportunity to develop and print images in our darkroom. A professional studio is an integral part of our program. The students gain confidence and experience setting up and shooting pictures in this environment.
It was great to have our instructors talk about their professional life as a photographer and also talk about their career and share their experience with us.
The instructors are very competent and very good. And they not only teach you the artistic and technical side, they also talk about the business side of being a photographer. I was attracted to the JC photography program because I've taken classes here before, and the school is always very welcoming to everyone, and the programs are challenging.
SRJC Academic Advisors will help you plan for an applied photography certificate and assist you if you're interested in transferring to a four-year college for a bachelor's degree.
The program prepared me to transfer to a four-year college by teaching me the foundational skills, the technical and aesthetic. It also helped me prepare a portfolio to be able to show my work.
We're ready to help you get a photography certificate or launch your photography career.
If you are a student who's thinking about entering the photography program, the main thing I'd say to you is just go for it. The photography program is just such a freeing experience. You get to create, and I mean, who doesn't like doing that?